rain was just the beginning, as things are going to be getting very wet across central and eastern Kentucky over the coming week. Now for the rain today, not much to show across the bluegrass. Only a few 1/100ths of an inch were recorded in Lexington, Frankfort, and also Mount Sterling. It just got to be a pesky mist into the afternoon as those clouds were standing firm across the area. Across southern Kentucky, though, the rain has been a bit more persistent and also heavy at times. Almost 1.5 inches of rain has fallen since midnight in London. Over 1 inch of rain recorded in Somerset and also Williamsburg. So if you are going to be out late tonight across southern Kentucky, be aware there could be some high water given all the rain that fell and is still falling even at this hour. On the Max Track Live Doppler, we're picking up on some pockets of heavier rain continuing to lift towards the northeast through some of our far southeastern Kentucky counties. Meanwhile, on the very tail edge of all that rain, some colder air is residing, so there may be a little bit of a snow rain mix trying to move through as all of this rain is continuing to lift out of the Commonwealth. So the cold front has already cleared the bluegrass, still getting hung up farther to the south and east, but eventually that will be clearing over the next couple of hours. The rain will come to an end. That chillier air will be settling in just in time for the start of the work week. Now clouds are going to be hanging around throughout the day tomorrow, and they may produce a few flurries at times as we kickstart the work week. But overall, tomorrow is the rare dry day that we will be seeing through the upcoming week. What we're going to be dealing with as we look ahead to Tuesday night and through even the upcoming weekend is a stall boundary that's going to continue to pull in some Gulf moisture. Things get started late Tuesday night. Now temperatures may just be cold enough at the onset for the bluegrass in northern Kentucky that we kick things off with a little bit of snow, maybe a rain-snow mix. Meanwhile, for southern Kentucky, it is going to be all rain. But then rather quickly, temperatures will be warming up. We'll continue to see that rain lifting northward, and we're just setting our eyes for the first round of heavy rain that's going to be tracking through on Wednesday. And there is more to come as that boundary is going to be stalled. There's going to be plenty of moisture in play. So by this time next week, so we're talking about next Sunday, there is the potential for a widespread 3 to 6 inches of rain to fall. Locally higher amounts are expected across southern Kentucky as you're going to be hit several times with some heavy rain. With all of that being said, that's a month's worth of rain, maybe even more. So given how wet it has been lately, the ground is really saturated, so we could be dealing with some localized flooding concerns. Also, area rivers, streams, and creeks likely going to rise, so keep an eye on that, especially if you live in some flood-prone areas as we continue throughout the course of the week. Now, the little bit of silver lining with all of that rain is temperatures will be warming up. We kickstart the week chilly. High temperatures will be right around 40 degrees each of the next 2 afternoons, but then we skip right into the 50s as we close out the week. Even come Saturday, high temperatures could reach the lower 60s before things finally begin to wind down and get a little bit chillier starting on Sunday and then looking ahead to the following week as well. Outside right now, we're sitting at 39 in Lexington. Skies are still cloudy, and that's how it'll stay as we go through the overnight hours. A stray flurry may eke out late tonight. Also some patchy fog possible as you head back to work as temperatures drop close to the freezing mark. Only the upper 30s for a high tomorrow. Again, skies do stay cloudy and a few flurries will be possible. We'll sneak in some bits of sunshine on Tuesday before that rain arrives at night. And then once the rain gets here, it sticks around for a couple of days. Things are very wet Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, also into next weekend as temperatures stay mild. We'll have more LEX 18 news after this.